Have you ever dreamt of living abroad but felt stuck because you didn't know if you could actually afford it? If the thought of moving abroad feels exciting but totally overwhelming, you're in the right place. I'm a homeschooling mom, CPA, and online entrepreneur in the middle of planning my own big move abroad. And today I'm going to share what I've learned about affordable countries that really work for families, plus step by step tips to help you get started. And if this video helps you, hit the subscribe button and tap the notification bell so you don't miss any of my real world tips on leaving the US, earning remotely, and building a life that feels good. Mexico is often the first place moms look for a good reason. It's close, diverse, and feels like a soft landing spot. Rent runs from about $400 to $1,000 a month in safe, family friendly neighborhoods, way less than many places in the US. Plus, private schools and homeschooling communities are thriving in many expat-friendly areas. And healthcare, affordable and good quality. And it's easy to get back home if you need to. Quick tip, avoid touristy hotspots like Cancun if you want to save money. I'm talking real, lived-in neighborhoods with expats and families. Portugal gives you that classic European charm, but with a soft pace and friendly vibes. Think smaller, relaxed coastal towns where life is calm and expenses are reasonable. A family of 3 to 4 can live well on $1,800 to $2,500 a month. Public health care is solid and private options are also affordable. Plus, Portugal offers visas designed for remote workers or passive income like the D7 visa. I'm looking into Portugal myself because I want easy legal status without the stress. Panama was a surprise find. Lots of English speakers, a big expat community, modern hospitals, and grocery stores. You can budget $2,000 to $2,800 per month for family, including rent, food, and insurance. International schools are available, and the residency process is pretty straightforward. There are several affordable cities with strong expat communities, a slow pace of life, and surprisingly low living costs. One in particular, tucked in the mountains, has really caught my eye. It feels peaceful, welcoming, and like the perfect place to build that soft life we all want. On the other hand, if you're looking into Panama City, which is more modern and cosmopolitan, costs can be quite a bit higher. So it's important to know what fits your budget and lifestyle. And as a CPA, I can tell you that Panama, being one of the most tax-friendly countries in Central America, is a huge bonus for both families and entrepreneurs. It means you get to keep more of what you earn while enjoying a great lifestyle. Thailand is a dream for many remote working moms. Imagine jungle mornings, fresh markets, and a tight-knit community. Rent can be as low as $300 a month outside big cities. A family could live well on $1,500 to $2,500 a month, depending on lifestyle. And the best part, you won't be alone. More and more women are building a peaceful, connected life in Thailand with their families. Colombia often surprises people. It's safe, welcoming, and perfect for balancing work and family life. In calm, affordable cities, rent often falls between $400 and $800 a month, making a slower, softer life much more attainable. Healthcare is excellent and private. Colombia also offers a digital nomad visa with reasonable income requirements. There's a real sense of community, nature, and culture that makes life feel rich and connected. Just because a country is affordable doesn't mean it fits your family's vibe. For me, climate and language are huge. I need a place where we can be comfortable year-round, and I'm willing to learn Spanish, but I want some English support too. Healthcare and community are big as well. Are there other families? Will you find support? Think of affordability as your gateway, and livability is what actually keeps you there. If you're ready to start mapping out your own move abroad, I made something that might help. It's a free guide with 15 remote job ideas you can do from anywhere. These are the exact kinds of options that helped me realize that this lifestyle was actually possible. You can grab it using the link in the description below. Here's the reality check. One of the biggest reasons I want to move abroad is to slow down and feel safe, not just to save money. But it's so easy to bring the hustle with you. So before jumping, make sure you have a financial and lifestyle buffer. Budget for comfort, not just scraping by. Leave wiggle room for surprises and slow income months. Plan your income around how you want your days to feel, not just to survive. Do you have a dream destination in mind? Share it below in the comments. I always love hearing where you're headed. Here's what I'm doing now. I've picked a couple of countries that feel like soft life fits, and I'm running the real numbers: rent, groceries, schools, and visa costs. That's how you move from dreaming to planning. Pick one country that really speaks to you and start crunching your own numbers. This isn't just a daydream. With a plan, it's totally doable. Thanks so much for spending time with me today. If you found this helpful, please subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss a video. And don't forget to grab that free guide below. It's a practical way to start earning remotely and get your move going. If you're ready or living abroad, or you have a dream spot in mind, comment below and let me know. I love connecting with y'all. Bye for now.